In the world of software development, there's a technique that adds depth and versatility to our code. It's called method overloading. In Java, method overloading is the ability to create multiple methods with the same name but different parameters within the same class. It allows developers to perform similar operations with different types or numbers of inputs, enhancing the readability and reusability of the code. The benefits of method overloading are numerous: clarity and readability. Overloading makes the code more readable and understandable. Methods with the same name but different parameters naturally guide the programmer to the correct version to use for their particular data inputs. Increased functionality with less complexity. Developers can implement different functionalities with the same method name, reducing the complexity of the code and increasing its functionality. Flexibility. Overloading provides the flexibility to call a similar method for different types of data. This is particularly useful when dealing with a range of data that might require similar operations but have different representations. Output. In the corporate world, where Java reigns, overloading is not just a feature, it's a strategy. It enables developers to handle different data types and function behaviors without cluttering the namespace. In the context of enterprise projects, method overloading plays a crucial role. Enhanced software design. It allows for more intuitive design and implementation of API libraries, where a single interface can handle a variety of input types, making the library easier to use and integrate into different parts of an enterprise system. Elevate your coding skills with Dynappmos. Subscribe now and turn up the volume on your Java journey. Keep coding, keep creating.